I'm Rick Howard. I'm the president of the Experimental Aircraft Chapter 1267 here in Granby, Colorado. We have a chapter here that meets once a month, and we promote the aviation for the kids that fly in the Young Eagle program, and then the older kids fly in the Eagle program. We send kids to summer camp each year. We also have a college scholarship available for the kids that are pursuing aviation in college. We're at right now 117 students that we have either sent to summer camp, including with the college scholarship. The Eagle program starts at 18, and the oldest lady I've flown is 81. And that's a program designed for people that have an interest in aviation and would like to look more into it. And we fly this on an introductory flight for them for about 30 minutes, and then we come back, and it just gives them their first exposure to the aviation world. We bring in 50, 60 airplanes during that Pankcake breakfast, and we'll serve 1,400 breakfasts. People come through and bid on the silent auction, and then my plane and all the rest of the planes are out on the tarmac so people can walk around them during the Pankcake breakfast. We needed a hangar for our airplane behind me, and we also needed a facility to do the Pankcake breakfast. This is a Great Western product. It's a 72 by 40 foot building. It's insulated for our cold temperatures here in Granby, Colorado, and it has an R25 on the walls and a 49R on the ceilings. So this hangar can easily take 2 low wing airplanes or a high wing and a low wing in the size of the 201 Mooney that I fly. It has a 5-inch concrete slab, and then it has all the structural steel and insulation, as well as an insulated door. Well, this door here is 56 feet long, and we have 2 man doors on each end of it, and then we have the clear span for airplanes to be able to come in and not have any problems with any partitions or anything inside. We did all the concrete and bolt placement, and then when the crew came in, they helped do the erection and insulation, and then Don and I set the door and finished the man doors and the epoxy. And the Schweiss company wanted all the specs from the metal manufacturer, and then they worked in concert to make sure the opening was correct and the structure was there to be able to actually hang this door off of the building. After 42 years of commercial and residential building in my background, after 12 different people that we looked at supplying the building, we decided to go with Eric and his product. I'm very impressed with the way Eric handled the process, and it really, you can see a difference. When a building is built square, plumb, and true, then everything starts going in so much more effectively and easily throughout the build, let alone it never strains something in the process that eventually fails because it was really trying to put a square peg in a round hole. And it really did go through very nicely and was erected very fluently and easily by the 4 guys that helped me do the erection. Very impressed with it, and definitely would buy another building.